In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your agency logo in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, your brand's logo will appear exactly where it should across your dashboard and client-facing areas, giving everything a consistent, professional look. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. Look to the bottom left of the screen and click Settings. This opens the main area where all your organization level preferences live. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can get this done in just a minute or two. Next, open Company. This section houses details that apply to your entire agency account, including branding. It's the right place to make changes that should carry across your system, rather than just a single sub-account. Before we continue, quick note. If you're accessing GoHighLevel for the first time, or want to learn more, there's a link to the official website at the very top of the description. You can use that link to get to the platform quickly and safely. Now, click the White Label tab. White label settings control how your platform looks under your brand, and your logo is front and center here. This is where you'll upload the image that represents your agency throughout the interface. In the Logo section, click Upload Logo, or simply drag and drop your image file into the upload area. For the best visual result, use the recommended size of 350 by 180 pixels. A transparent PNG typically looks the cleanest against different backgrounds, but JPG works fine too. If your logo appears stretched or cut off, double check the aspect ratio before uploading. You can quickly resize it using any image editor so it matches the 350 by 180 guideline. Also, keep the file size reasonable to avoid any loading delays. Lighter files help your interface feel snappier. Once your logo is in place, look for a Save button and click it if it's shown. Some accounts may autosave, but it's always smart to confirm. After saving, give the page a quick refresh to see your new branding in action. If you don't see it immediately, a hard refresh of your browser or clearing the cache usually does the trick. That's it. You've updated your agency logo in GoHighLevel with just a few clicks. Keeping your visuals aligned across the platform not only looks great, but also builds trust with clients and team members who interact with your workspace. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the link at the top of the description for quick access to GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.